Kumba kari ryngkat ki Jylla bapher ki tip bat ki Rakhe kyrpang ya sngi laitluid jong kari India kylleng ki jaka liang Ka Ophis treikam jong Deputy Commissioner ke Eastern West Khasi District Kumjuh ryngkat ki paidbah ka thain ki Rakhe ka sngi laitluid ka Jingiphuh jong kari India ka 78 Independence Day rukom ka shongkun ka pynlong hapo madan Dom Mawlum Pyndengumiong Mairang.Ha ka sngi Rakhe Independence Day hapo Mairang lawan ban penher ka lama lairong do MLA ka Khliehriat Konstitwensi ubade menteri jong ka sarkar Jylla Kyrmen Shylla ryngkat ka jingwan sakhi lang ki paidbah Ka Ophis sarkar Kumjuh ru ki khna school bat kiwe. Ha ka sngi liang ka district administration kala yo ru pansa me ki khusnam kum ki sernot sakirang yela kai kan thai pat chenrang ki bala job ya ki khusnam bapher na ki Jingiphuh kum ka Meghalaya games pat kiwe de ki bala pynlong nabar jong ka Jylla Kumjuh ru la pen kuburom mi ki asha pat ru la yo pansa mi ki khusnam sakinong job hakama pas bat la pen Iphieng shushu ya ka sngi da ki program bapher ki pakantup ya ki jingshat bat ki jingrwai na ki khna school.
It is a solemn moment for us to pay homage to our freedom fighters. As Indians, we are fortunate to have servers like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose as the founding fathers of our nation. We remember the patriots from Meghalaya's soil, the heroes Iphieng and Patagon Sangma. We also remember the pain of those who were displaced by the partition of India. We respectfully remember members of armed force, paramilitary force, and police force of the country and our states who have made great sacrifice in protecting the rule of law. It has been a year of great significance for Meghalaya as our ambitious economic growth plan for transforming the state into a $10 billion economy took shape in the form of Mission 10. Under this plan, we have identified 10 opportunity sectors which hold immense potential to generate prosperity for the state. We have also assured 10 welfare guarantees to the citizens so that prosperity is equitable distributed amongst all Meghalayans.